Okay, here we go. It is Wednesday, April 24th. We are looking at moving into Newton's second law. We did a lot with Newton's third law. The test that you just finished yesterday was about Newton's third law. Those tests are graded. They are updated in the grade book. Unfortunately, though, I left them on my desk at home, so I will have to return them to you another day. But I can tell you that the grade book is up to date and everything for the midterm is already set and in place. We are going to keep moving because we've got just a few more weeks until the end of the school year. So we want to make sure that we are finishing off strong. Like I said, we're moving on to Newton's second law. That's looking at mass and acceleration and how that creates force. So our teaching point for today, I can test how mass affects the motion of an object, and I can plan a test to see how mass affects the motion of an object. You can see from our agenda, for those of you who looked at the agenda part of things, that we are starting off with our introduction and then going into a bell ringer activity. From there, we're going to actually take a look at an investigation in a digital short, so YouTube video, and then create a hypothesis from that. The hypothesis is up on the demo board already with some blanks, so it'll be easy for you to fill in as in I do. You're going to be creating an investigation so we can actually try to test these skills tomorrow during class. At least that is the problem. That is the plan, not the problem. So here we go. Our bell ringer for today. That's weird. Our bell ringer activity for today. When a person is running fast, is it easier to change directions if you have more mass or less mass? And then related to that, in football, which positions would it be beneficial to have less mass? Explain. More mass. Explain. So those questions are actually going to be coming up right here if they have not already. And so we are going to be considering that first one. When a person is running fast, is it easier to change directions if you have more mass or less mass? Go ahead and do a hand pull for that one. More mass. Less mass. Okay, and live Niwei is going to discuss that in just a minute. And then for football, which positions would be beneficial to have less mass and more mass? That one's going to be a class discussion, so I'm going to turn it over to the live version of Mr. Niwei, Digital Niwei, out.